what it's like to drive in Minnesota during a blizzard. Blizzard 2016. As you can see, I'm the only asshole on the road. Not been plowed. We're sitting on about 8 inches of snow. They're calling for 10 to 12 more. Doing a little bit of slippy, a little bit of slidey. I'm in the Subaru though, so I got all-wheel drive. So I'm fairly safe-ish, as long as I watch my speed. This is it. Oh yeah, now we're getting to the good stuff here, buds. Oh shit. This is it right here. See about as much as I can see, which is maybe 100 feet, maybe a little bit more on the camera, I'm not sure. But this is it. I'm the first one to drive on this road in a couple of hours, clearly. We got about 6 inches on this road. Oh, it's fighting me. Come on, girl. There you go. Yeah, just, oh, shnikes, that was a huge hill. Just coming up over the freeway now. Oh, I'm going, starting to slip. Complete whiteout condition on the bridge. There's the freeway down there. Now we're right back to, oh shit, right back to the good. Oh shit. Couldn't see that time. That one got me. Alright, I'm gonna get off. It's getting a little risque. As long as I watch my speed, I'll be fine. So I'm gonna get off here now.